honorable dignitaries, respected academicians, distinguished researchers, industry experts, and my dear participants. It gives me an immense pleasure to be invited as keynote speaker for 16th International Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development, which is organized virtually today, 25th December 2025, by the International Institute of Organized Research, India, in association with its global partners. This conference is being organized by International Institute of Organized Research, a registered MSME with Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India, in association with Green Thinkers Z, Western Sydney University, Australia, Global Institute of Education and Research, uh, and Sustainable Cosmos. This prestigious international conference aims to bring together academicians, researchers, industry professionals, and policymakers from diverse disciplines to discuss innovative solutions and strategies for achieving United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Today, as a keynote speaker, I have chosen Sustainable Development Goal 9, which is industry innovation and infrastructure, because it strongly connects with engineering, technology, and computer science. Yeah. Uh, since sustainable development goal forms the backbone of every nation's progress, so I have chosen sustainable development goal 9. And do you know why it matters? Because the world is undergoing a massive transformation. Technologies are evolving at an unprecedented pace. Economies are restructuring and societies are becoming increasingly connected. In this dynamic world, Sustainable Development Goal 9 emphasizes on three critical elements: sustainable industry growth, innovation driven development, and resilient infrastructure. These three pillars together determine a country's ability to compete globally, respond to crises, and create inclusive opportunities for its people. So, first, let us focus on the first goal, which is building sustainable economic growth for the industry. Sustainable industries are engines of economic job creation, economic expansion, and societal upliftment. Sustainable Development Goal 9 reminds us growth must not come at the cost of environment. Today, industries must adopt cleaner technologies, energy efficient systems, circular economy models, responsible production practices. Industries of the futures are not just profitable, they are green, they are ethical and human centric. Focusing on the second part of my today's keynote address is innovation, which is heart of transformation. Innovation is no longer optional, it is an essential. From AI to robotics, from blockchain to biotechnology, innovation shapes how we live, how we work, and how we produce and sustain. For developing nations, innovation is the bridge between limitations and limitless possibilities. So we must encourage research driven education, startup ecosystems, technology incubations, collaboration between industry and academia. So, innovation should not be restricted to just labs. It must reach society, solve societal problems, and improve the quality of life for every citizens. Coming to the third aspect of my key address is building a strong infrastructure. So infrastructure is not just roads, bridges and buildings. It is digital connectivity, smart transportation, reliable energy systems, robust communication networks. Countries with a strong infrastructure can accelerate economic growth, empower remote communities, and withstand global challenges. A resilient infrastructure ensures that no one is left behind. Now, the role of researchers and academicians is dear. Sustainable Development Goal 9 calls upon each one of us. Our responsibility is to produce research that solves real world societal problems, minimizes environmental impact, promotes sustainable technologies, and strengthen industries and societies together. So let our research papers become a solution, let our ideas become innovations, and let our innovations become instruments of sustainable development. Now, there is a call for action. As we participate in this IRSD 2025, let us commit ourselves to the future where industries are green, innovation is inclusive, infrastructure is resilient, technology is ethical, and development is sustainable. The path to better tomorrow begins with the choices which we make today. So, let me conclude my keynote address. So, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to the organizers of this conference for creating a platform that encourages knowledge exchange, interdisciplinary collaboration, and sustainable thinking. Together, let us turn Sustainable Development Goal 9 from global goal into a global reality. Thank you, one and all.